Hi, this is an Eclipse tutorial of how to install Window Builder. So I'm gonna click on launch. There we go, guys. The application development environment is opened up. Let's create a new project, and let's say we go to Java project, and right in there you can give your project a name. I'm just gonna call it Win Builder. So let me copy my Win Builder to use it. So come in there and let's just click on finish. And right here, just to let you guys know, if I right click on it on my Win Builder, go to new, and let's go straight down to other. That's where we're meant to find our window builder. As you can see from this dialog box, we don't have window builder there. So the only way out is for us to go to the help file here, and let's go straight into Eclipse Marketplace. Click on that. Okay, so right in there, all you just need to do is type in Window Builder and click on search. There we go. Now I have two different window builders there. Okay, this one here and this one here. This one is 1.93 and this one is 1.94. This one does have some restriction to it, so I'm not going to venture that, but I'm not stopping you guys from having a go at that. But read through. All right, here I'm going to use this 1.93. Let's click on install, and there we go, guys. So I'll just click on confirm. The system is installing my new window builder package, and right here the next thing is you must accept the terms of the license agreement. So you click on that, and let's click on finish. There we go. Okay, I have to reduce this so that you guys can see it installing software. I have approximately 41% installed so far, 49, and so on. It's finished installing, so I'm going to have to restart my system. So click on restart there, and double click on it. Right there, it's coming up. Now it's almost ready. Click on launch. Okay, the environment seems to be ready. I'm going to click on the file, the package explorer, and right there, that's the project I am working on. So I'm going to click on Win Builder, right click on it, and let's select new project. Okay, just before I right click on it, let me show it to you guys. There's nothing in it, so right click on the folder, new, and let's go straight down. You see, that's what we need, order, and inside order, have a look at it. Your window builder is now officially installed. Click on it, drop it down, and then you need to go straight into Swing Designer. Click on the Swing Designer. The choice is yours if you want the application window or maybe any other of this library there. So I'm going to select the application window and click on next. Now let's give my package a name. I'm going to call it window builder, and let's just click on finish. There we go, guys. It's coming up. There we go. Look at it, the source file and the design. There we go, guys. My application is now ready with the window builder. So let's collapse this and collapse this too. We can just decide to add one or two things in there if you want. So let's right click on this, select set layout. I've actually selected absolute layout there. That's it, absolute layout selected. So let's come straight to the palette here. I'm going to select a button right here, select a button, and just position it how you want. If you want, you can always change the font size. This is just a demonstration of how to install window builder. So let's increase the fonts, make that bold, 18. Okay, let's change the text content on it. Come right there to text, and I'm just going to change it to exit. There we go. Now double click on this button, and right here I'm just going to write a single line of code to exit. So come right in here, and let's enter system dot exit. There we go. So I'm going to go back and run my program. Run program. There. and click on exit. There we go, guys. That's how you reinstall your window builder. So there will be more tutorial on Eclipse, Java Eclipse. And bye for now, guys.